What's happening, everyone? It's Robert Tyrell coming at you from the YMD Video Vault, bringing you another free valuable video. I'm so excited to share this free tool with you. It makes tasks a little more enjoyable, streamlines your workflow, and helps you look like a rock star. Today, I'm going to talk about Canva. It's a simple graphic design tool that allows you to put together beautiful images in no time. Canva is something I use just about every week. Let's take a deeper look. So I'm here on the home page, and I have to say, man, I love this welcome screen. Every time I see it, I have to move the mouse around and watch all the pretty colors. Yes, I am easily amused. This is true. I can get pretty distracted. Moving on. After logging in, you have an amazing amount of layouts, from Facebook cover photos to YouTube channel art, Instagram posts, ads, and more. And if that's not enough, you can create custom dimensions of any size as well. To simply create a design, pick from one of the many templates available or custom design your own. You have free layouts, elements, text, and backgrounds immediately at your disposal to create your art gallery worthiness. You can upload your own images as well, in addition to the library of content they have to choose from. They do have upgraded paid plans, and some of their content costs a few bucks to use, but I've always been able to create beautifully designed masterpieces, well, at least in my eyes, for free. Check out this quick design I put together. Not too bad, huh? After you're satisfied with your design, all you have to do is name the file and download it. Voila! If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the group, and be sure to share your works of art in the comments section. Simply go to canva.com. You'll be able to sign up for a free account in a few easy steps. I'll include the link below in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out all of our free content within the unit section of this group in the YMD Video Vault. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.